So I've seen some tenants say that they are entitled to certain months of notice before they can vacate a particular premises or the apartment that they live in. Dear tenant, please understand that the law, if you live in Lagos State, the tenancy law of Lagos State only applies by default where you do not have an agreement or a tenancy agreement with your landlord stating the duration or the notice that you're supposed to be served when you are to quit the house. In other words, it is not in all circumstances that you are to be served a certain duration of notice to quit based on the law. For example, if you're a tenant at will, you're not entitled to the duration of notice that is stated in the tenancy law. If you're a licensee, you are not entitled to certain duration. Now, a lot of people actually think that they are tenants when in actual fact they are licensee. And if you are a certain tenant for a certain term, a certain period of years, probably the tenancy agreement explicitly says you are a certain tenant for 1 year, for 2 years, 3 years. In that situation, and if it is stated in your tenancy agreement that you will be served a particular days of notice, probably 7 or 30 days, then that is the notice that you are supposed to be served. So in a wrap, do not go about thinking that you are entitled to certain notices that the law states by default. No dear, consult your lawyer for better understanding.